Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Hey everyone, looking at Facebook on the daily and weekly time frame, and another day where the FANG stocks, and really it's Facebook, Amazon, and Google that are all trading very similarly. Netflix is really doing its own thing, but they're showing weakness, and we now have a bearish break on the short term. So losing that middle Bollinger Band support, that was the tightening range I kept pointing out. So 123.93 is now resistance, the high of the day rejecting from that level. 10-day moving average resistance staying intact. And we really have a bit of a head and shoulders pattern. This gap up on earnings negates that in a sense, but the psychology is still there where you have your left side, your head, and your right shoulder. And the neckline would be the support line of 122.07, and we're also looking at 122.78. So the bears are taking control a little bit here. A break of 122.78 early next week has us looking at 122.07 and then down to 120 psychological. And 120 psychological is going to be a very key level. The 50-day moving average support is catching up. It should be just below that about early to mid next week. Weekly time frame, bearish reversal candlestick has been confirmed. If you're a long-term bull, that means nothing because you still have all kinds of moving average support, all kinds of uptrend support, and it's not concerning at all, especially due to the volume. There's no dump going on or anything like that. But that 120 psychological level was really tough resistance for about 6 weeks here, so the bulls are going to look for that to act as support. The 10-week moving average support will be right at 120 or right below 120 to start next week as well. That's going to be our target, especially with a break of 122.78. So a couple dollars to the downside anticipated if we see further weakness. If the bulls get back above the middle Bollinger Band and the 10-day moving average support, that will be a great sign, and we will be looking back up here at 126.09. But as of right now, with the bearish end of the day today, or really the bearish day breaking out of that channel, we are looking for further downside, and it's looking like this could have been a bear flag where we have our multiple week or our week-long multiple day pullback, small bounce attempt, parallel support and resistance lines, and then a break to the downside indicating continuation. So we'll check back in on Facebook. If you're short term, be cautious as a bull. The trend is favoring the bears. Thanks for tuning in. Have a wonderful weekend.